you find yourself using more and more products in an attempt to stave off the signs of aging? Well, you are not alone. Like many women find that their skincare routine needs a little extra help as they age. Will do. One ingredient that is gaining popularity in the world of anti-aging is lactic acid. But what is it, and should you be using it in your skincare routine? Well, in today's video, I'm giving you the scoop on everything you need to know about using lactic acid in skincare. Hi, I'm Elaine Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so you might have seen the term lactic acid on a skincare product before, and you thought to yourself, what the heck is that? But in fact, this effective but gentle acid has been used around the world for centuries as a way to soften the skin and improve your complexion. And these days, you can find lactic acid in several skincare products such as cleanser, toners, serums, and moisturizers. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, a group of acids derived from dairy or fruit. It's a fermentation product, for example, from milk, sugar, or lactose. And this is where the lac comes from, right? In lactic acid, as it was first discovered in milk. It gives sour milk, cottage cheese, and yogurt that tingy flavor. You know what I'm talking about? However, it was later that we realized that other foods also create lactic acid, such as sugarcane, corns, beets, soy, fruit, and a variety of veggies. This is good news for vegans. While vegans choose to avoid products that contain lactic acid derived from milk, there is no reason why you cannot use these products that contain plant-derived lactic acid. Hey, some experts even believe that plant-derived AHAs are even more effective than their animal-derived counterparts. Plus, the research shows that the synthetic form of lactic acid is just as effective as the natural form. But either way, if you are looking for a vegan-friendly skincare ingredient, lactic acid may be a perfect choice. Actually, let me tell you, as humans, we create lactate all the time, which is a lactic acid minus one proton. Anyway, we're talking skincare here. So, lactic acid is a popular over-the-counter choice for several reasons. For one, if you use it often, it can really make a visible difference to the skin, and secondly, it also is one of the most, I would say, gentle hydroxy acid that you can use in skincare. As an AHA, lactic acids work by the process of exfoliation. It's a mild chemical peel that breaks down the bonds between all dull, dead skin cells on the skin's surface, and this will allow to shed or swipe them away more easily. This process improves your skin's barrier function. It also encourages cell turnover, and it will stimulate the cell renewal when your skin replaces old skin, right? It will encourage the process of creating new skin cells, if I may say so. Okay, so lactic acid has many anti-aging benefits, as collagen production is also stimulated with regular applications of lactic acid, so that the skin will become, I would say, firmer with an improved texture. When it comes to sunspots, well, let me tell you, age spots can also be smoothened along with fine lines and wrinkles. It can also help you with hyperpigmentation and even acne scarring. Now, let me tell you, if you have a serious acne scarring, you will need to go and see a dermatologist, because over-the-counter products will not be enough. But if you want to, use it as a form of maintenance after, when your acne is healed, well, then you can use, over-the-counter products. But again, if you have serious acne scarring, go and see your dermatologist. Also, have you ever experienced that bumpy chicken skin on the backs of your arms? I don't have it here, but in here, right? This is known as keratosis. Well, lactic acid can help dissolve the mass of skin cells that build up around the hair follicle to smooth out those bumps, leaving you with a significantly smoother skin. You know what I'm talking about in here and sometimes in the legs. But there is an added benefit to using lactic acid that other AHAs like glycolic acid or mandelic acid don't provide. Well, it improves the skin's natural moisture factor. Yes, meaning the way the skin naturally keeps itself hydrated. So by using glycolic acid, the skin will naturally be less dry and more moisturized. Did you know that? Listen, because it's so gentle and it has so many hydrating and soothing properties, lactic acid is excellent for sensitive skin. And it's so soft that it's even safe to use on delicate skin like your throat and your décolletage. While it's effective, it's just gentle. And this makes it an excellent choice for pretty much all skin types, regardless of age. Now, lactic acid is of course available in various concentrations, so it's essential to choose the one that is appropriate for your skin type. For example, those of you with sensitive skin, you should look for products with lower concentrations of lactic acid. I will say from 2 to 10%, as higher concentrations may sting or burn on contact. More resilient skin can use products with a higher concentration. I would say this, like if you plan on using it like often or every day, buy a product with a lower percentage. In general, lactic acid is safe for almost everybody, but with these higher concentrations, you may be more likely to experience side effects such as dryness, irritation, and redness, along with some stinging or burning. If you are new to lactic acid, well, always start slowly and then you can gradually increase the frequency until you can use it daily if that's what you want. In some very rare cases, some people may experience some severe side effects such as rashes, hives, or even having trouble breathing. But honestly, this is not very common. Also, remember that the inflammation and irritation lactic acid can cause can make the skin more sensitive to the sun and more vulnerable to damage from its ultraviolet rays. So, yes, you know what I'm going to say, you have to use sunscreen and limit your exposure to the sun. To use lactic acid in your skincare routine is very easy. Just apply a thin layer once a day. I would say in the evening after cleansing and toning. Just apply a small amount to clean, dry your skin and just like massage it until it's fully absorbed before following up with your moisturizer. That's it. What else? Squalane plus lactic acid resurfacing night cream from Biossance has 10% of lactic acid. It's a serum, it's vegan, non-toxic, paraben-free, and what else? Synthetic fragrance-free. So that's a good option for you. Now, make sure that whatever lactic acid product you choose, you store it in a cool, dark place out of direct sunlight. This may mean keeping it in an area that is not your bathroom. And suppose you use retinol, the vitamin A derivative that helps boost collagen production and improve the skin's overall health. Well, in that case, the good news is that you can continue to use it alongside with lactic acid, as they work together to achieve more youthful looking skin. No problem at all. I would say that simply use your lactic acid after cleansing as usual and then follow up with a retinol cream or gel. I would say like maybe 30 minutes after, and do not forget to finish off with a moisturizer to hydrate your skin and your sunscreen in the morning, of course. Or you can use your acid in the morning and retinol in the evening, or you can alternate the products on different days. so your skin don't become irritated. I mean, like, you know your skin, so try out and see what is the perfect combination for you. Listen, the key to finding the best acid for your skin is not an easy task. There are many different types out there, and it can be very confusing, right? Like, if you're trying to determine what will work well with your own skin and your skin issues. So click the link in the description box and take the quiz. You will find out which skin acid is perfect for your skin type. Hey, in short, lactic acid is a pretty powerful ingredient. If you are looking for a gentle form of exfoliation to brighten your skin, well, lactic acid is worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you are using lactic acid and if you are, happy, or if you have some tricks. I always want to know your tricks. Subscribe to my channel. Listen, I appreciate you very much. Bye for now.